Hello. In this question, we're dealing with energy and pulse. So we're told that a mass m here is placed resting on a conveyor belt. This is the conveyor belt. The conveyor belt has a friction of mu, okay, and the mass is placed at a time equal to t equals 0. The conveyor belt is acted on by an external force which pulls the belt at a constant velocity u. Okay, so the belt is being pulled at u. Okay, so what is happening is that the mass is placed on the conveyor belt, which is already moving at a constant velocity u. From the moment that I place the mass on the conveyor belt, there'll be some kind of friction acting on it, which will begin to move the mass along with the conveyor belt. However, the mass will still not be moving at the exact velocity of the conveyor belt, okay?